This park, Rio Vista Park, is adjacent to a number of impacted communities. This park is their yard. This park is their playground. And 2 months ago, their children were here actually making plans on what this park would be. And here we are today with over 100 volunteers bringing that to fruition. Moving mulch, putting bolts together, mixing concrete, but we're planting trees, we're repairing sidewalks, we're painting, we're doing some general maintenance and repair at the same time because we have all these very, very willing volunteers here today, including our own city staff. And these neighborhoods will have a brand spanking new playground.
The first time I'm participating in this building exactly in Rio Vista. I'm very happy for the families, for our neighbors, because this is new construction for our families, our kids. That's why I'm very happy. We don't have many place creativity activities for families, and now we invited for coming in the Rio Vista Park and enjoy the new construction. I want to come here and invite our neighbors to come here and enjoy, and this is really fantastic playground.
This is our week of possibilities, and we have about 15,000 employees across 100 countries, just with one mission: to give back to our local communities. We've been doing this for about 7 years now. This is our 7th annual Week of Possibilities, and this is our time at our organization to give back. The fact that these kids will have a place where they can create memories with their family is so important, and we're so glad to be a part of it. They put me on the hard job. I'm out here with mulch. They tell me that the mulch is to make sure that when somebody's swinging on the swing and they want to jump off, as we did as little kids, they jump off into a safe area. So I'm excited that I'm focused on safety for the children. I can tell you that the sign up happened in roughly about 48 hours. So it just shows how important this is to our mission of our organization. And for me personally, it started off when I was a kid. My parents made volunteering as an important part of our family life. It made a huge impression on me when I was young and still makes an impression on me today. Anybody who's got a name that's Kaboom, I'm in. They do really fantastic work here. I'm amazed by how they can bring so many volunteers together. So hats off to Kaboom.
On behalf of the city of Anaheim and its 350,000 residents, I want to make sure that we don't overlook the thanks that we owe to AbbVie, their volunteers that are here today, the YMCA that played a very important part in the planning of what the design of the playground will look like, our own city of Anaheim employees that are here en masse today helping and supervising the volunteers. This is a group project. Everybody is contributing. I want to make sure that everybody knows, and of course on behalf of the community that lives close by, how important this project is to all of us.